After canceling their annual fundraiser Bacon Fest and closing their restore for 3 months in 2020, Siouxland Habitat for Humanity had to look at other ways to fundraise. The nonprofit also had to change how they were able to have events in the COVID-19 pandemic era.
And we wanted to relook at what kind of events can we really have that we don't have to plan a new event but still not knowing what the climate might have. We didn't want to have to create something and then cancel it again in the future.
Ann Holmes, executive director for the Siouxland Habitat for Humanity, says one of their newest fundraisers is the Stud of the Month calendar, where it shows off some of the businesses and organizations who have sponsored and decorated a 2x4x8 stud.
So we've been able in our 2021 calendar to be able to highlight some of the great stud work that businesses have done while also thanking those businesses. So those businesses and their studs are a featured month in every month of the calendar.
Holmes says those decorated studs in the calendar will be used to help build future habitat homes in the community. The biggest change the nonprofit has made is continuing and finding ways to increase housing because there's a bigger need of affordable housing.
So we knew with all of the things that were happening in 2020, people's incomes were lower, people may have been furloughed, they may have lost their jobs completely. We knew that more than ever housing was going to be a significant conversation that we needed to have, not only as a community and a region, but as an organization.
Another new and upcoming fundraiser for the organization is Habitats for Habitat, where people can build habitats such as birds, dog houses, and sheds that will be auctioned off in the spring for the nonprofit. In Sioux City, Iowa, Riley Mahon, KCAU-9 Digital.